How to save edited photos from FaceApp to your phone. Finished editing a photo in FaceApp and want to save it to your phone? Here's how to download your creation in just a few taps. Go to Photos and pick one picture from your gallery. Okay, once you pick a picture, edit it. Let me edit it like this. You can edit, you can keep smiles like this and apply it. You can also use glasses like this and apply it. From here you can change its background as well. As I have already taught in my previous video, you can watch it as well. Like this, change the background and tap on apply. Now once you have applied your filters, just tap on apply button, as I have already tapped on apply, and on the top right corner of the screen you can see save. Just tap the save button like this, and that way your edited image will be saved automatically to your device gallery. And that's how you save your edited FaceApp photos straight to your phone. Quick, easy and ready to share. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and let us know in the comments what effect you tried first. Thank you for watching.